Welcome back to a step-by-step guide on how to order and ship from China with 1688 Chinese shopping app. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or ID Future, you want me to be a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China with 1688. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to buy and ship from China in 1688. It's a step-by-step guide for beginners. Okay, so let's make. So the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you open your 1688 shopping app. So I'm going to click on it. Then having opened up your 1688 shopping app, so you need to search for an item. And basically, there are different ways to search for an item. One of the first way is to simply scroll down right here and look at the product picture, description, things like that. Then you can go ahead and add the item to cart if you're satisfied with the supplier product. Another way to search for an item is to simply type the keyword of the item into the search engine right here. So it's going to give you similar results. So another way to search for an item is to make use of this camera icon, which stands for image search. So what you do here is to simply click on the camera icon, upload the picture of the item, then you are going to see a similar result. Another way to search for an item is by using QR code scan. There are some products that come with QR code. Once you screenshot them, you can upload it right here and it's going to give you similar results, or the store link direct on 1688. So it's as simple as that. After you have searched for an item, so let's see how you can add the item to cart on 1688. All right, from this store here, I need 2 dark blue and 2 dark black. So for me to do that, I will simply click on here to add the item to cart. So it's going to open up this page. Okay, next thing I need to do is to simply tap on here to add 2 black. I need 2 dark blue. So this is dark blue right here. Dark blue. So I need just 2. So I will just tap 1, 2. Then I will make sure I click on here to add them to cart. It's as simple as that. So I need to add one more item to cart from another supplier. So let's check it out. So from this store right here, I need 5 pieces of bag from this store. So what I need to do is to simply click on here to add them to cart. So I need 3 black. So here is black color. So I will just click on here to add 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then I need 1 pink and then I need 1 red. Everything is 5. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to add them to cart. So finally, I need to make sure I click on here to check out the cart. So all the items we have been added to cart is going to be found right here. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to select the item. Then I will scroll down. I will click on the second one right here to add it to cart. Next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So from the checkout right here, I'm paying the sum of 337 yuan to purchase all these items. Okay. So the next thing I need to do is to click on here to proceed to payment. And at this point here, you have to make sure that your Alipay is checked. Next thing I need to do is to make sure I click on here to proceed to payment and confirm. And I click on here to confirm my payment. Then enter my payment password. Payment done successful. Next thing I need to do is to simply click on here to go back to my account. So for me to visit my account, I need to click on here. So by the time I refresh my account, the item we just purchased is going to be found right here. So let's check it out. So this is the first one, and this is the second bag that we had to cut on 1688. So this is a easy step-by-step guide for beginners on how to buy and ship from China with 1688. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Talwa or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you step by step on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.